Hey everybody, this is Kirk with an easy way to trade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we do our other videos. Hey guys, Kirk with an easier way to trade again. Want to talk to you a little bit about our signals channel. That's an overlooked area that we don't really talk much about, but it's part of the membership with an easy way to trade semi-EA. But look, just the signals channel alone is worth the membership of $150 a month. Why? Because over the past 7 months, we've had a total of 7,100 potential pips. Now you don't have to take my words for it, because remember what we say is people may lie, but numbers don't. Right? We have a Discord server that we mark up each and every trade before the trade. We actually mark it up on TradingView. We mark it up on TradingView and we send that signal out. So therefore we have a record of our trades. We don't just say, hey guys, look at this trade that we took and here's the markup afterwards. No, we mark that trade up and send it out. Again, a lot of people will send out a signal. They'll just say, hey, jump in this trade right here, take profit, stop loss. But guys, we actually mark the trade up to show you why we took the trade. So it's right there. And then once the trade hits either TP or stop loss, we send out another chart showing exactly what the trade did. So we have every single trade that we've done from the past 7 months, guys, documented in our Discord server. And I'm gonna show you a few of them right now. Over 7,100 potential pips. We have 173 wins and 84 losses, guys. 173 wins, 84 losses. That's a 67% win ratio. That's amazing. That's almost 70% win ratio, guys. And again, each and every trade is documented in our Discord channel. Part of the membership of an easier way to trade semi-EA for $150 a month. Again, that signals channel alone, 7,100 potential pips. That's well worth the membership. Take a look at some of the signals from this past week. Notice that the top red circle is the before and the bottom red circle is the after. See, we mark it up before the trade takes to show you why we took the trade, and then we show you the after results of the trade after the trade has hit either TP or stop loss. Do you notice the dots that are on some of the charts? That's where we mark up our structure. We see we connect the dots. That lets us know that it's a very good structure right there. So that's why we take the trade. Whenever we can connect the dots, we can find our structure, and that lets us know that we have a good trade, and we'll put that trade in. Mark up for GBP CAD before, and then we have our GBP CAD after. Look at that. Hit our 20 pip TP and kept on going. From March 5th to March 10th, we had 4 wins and 3 losses, but we had a potential of 554 pips. Some really big moves. Go ahead and get in our Discord server and you can see a lot more by going to my cell phone is an ATM.com. That again, my cell phone is an ATM.com. Talk to our people in our group. See the amazing results that we'll be having. We'll see you in there.